Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I made a LUA-C with quick commands and working. They're all working. So go ahead and join the game you want, which I'm joining Exploiting Arena, non-FE. If you guys want me to publish this, tell me in the comments, because I'm happy that I made this. I think it's pretty cool. So let me go ahead and go here. Computer. Windows C, users, me, and then /source, enter, repos, and then look for cool packs. Guys, it is going to be called, new packs, new packs, but it's actually called Hostenti. So go ahead, you're going to see something like this. Go ahead and open it. Open that. Go to bin, debug, and open newpacks.exe. And as you guys can see, it's right here. It's called Hostenti. Quick commands. Here's the credits. Credits to Hostenti for the name. What's coming soon? Themes and settings, which that's not working yet. So themes are working. So I'll just keep it on black. So now go ahead and press on inject. It'll say this, and then it'll say this, and press on OK. And now you can use these. So this just gives you speed, so you don't really need that because you have speed here. So we'll see. I'll show you that this works. So I'm gonna go ahead and open, send back later LUA and LUA-C script packs. More scripts. We'll do this, and we'll become Patrick. Control A, Control C, and then go to the LUA-C. Paste that in. Oh, it's slidey. Okay. Now press execute script. And as you guys can see, it worked. So, these do work. Let's look for Mega Lucy's players. Custom. I want these, please. Now, go ahead and paste it in, execute script, and as you guys can see, sorry for the loud clicking, I'm like spamming my click button. I noticed that in my last videos, but as you guys can see, it is working. There's Donald Trump's face. So, we'll change the theme to blue. I could make a clear and maybe an open button. Maybe. But go ahead and spam print if you want, and then press F9, scroll to the bottom, and, yes. That is what I made it print. Sparkles, B-tools, control TP, and speed. Jump height, I think, kicks you, but credits, what's coming soon, rainbow theme, I may cross that rainbow theme out, because that's just going to be really hard, and then we're going to have the settings, which Kill Roblox does not work yet. It will probably work in the next update. I might not, I might just like kick it and not kill Roblox. But, yeah. This is it, and if you guys want me to get this published, go ahead and tell me in the comments below, and hope you guys enjoyed. See y'all in the next video. Peace out. Wait, but I might do a little bit of updates before I can publish this. So if you guys want this published, go ahead and tell me, and see ya.